Hello guys, there we have a Whirlpool Washing Machine FFB A25ABSV and welcome on the HardReset.Info overview video. So the first program is mixed. The range of temperature is from the cold water to 40 Celsius of degrees. The maximum speed is 1000 and maximum load is 8 kilograms. The next program is white. The range of temperature is from the cold water to 9 degrees of Celsius. The maximum speed is 1400 RPM. The maximum load is 8 kilograms. The duration for this program is 2 hours and half. The next program is a cotton. From the cold water to 60 degrees of Celsius, the maximum speed is 1400. The maximum load is 8 kilograms and the duration is 4 hours and 50 minutes. The eco mode from 40 to 60, the maximum speed is 1300. The maximum load is from the 2 kilo to 8. The sport mode is from the cold water to 40 degrees. The maximum speed is 600 and the maximum load is 4 kilograms. The duvet mode it's 30 temperature. The maximum speed is 1000 and the maximum load is 3.5. The steam refresh is only max load of 2 kilo. Spin and drain, the maximum speed RPM is 1400 and the maximum capacity of load is 8 kilograms. The rinse and speed it's 1400 RPM and the maximum load is 8 kilograms. The rapid 30 minutes is from the cold water to 30 Celsius degrees and the maximum speed is 1200. The maximum load is 4 kilo and the duration is a half hour. The 20 degrees of Celsius is from the cold water to 20 degrees. The maximum speed is 1400. The maximum load is 8 kilograms. The duration is 1 hour and 50 minutes. The wool it's from cold water to 40 degrees of Celsius, 800 spin of RPM and 2 kilo of max load. Delicates from cold water to 30 degrees of Celsius. The maximum speed is 600 and the maximum load of laundry is 1 kilogram. The synthetics from the cold water to 60 degrees. The maximum speed RPM is 1200. The maximum load is 4 kilo. The duration is 3 hours. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a like or comment and goodbye.